You can configure motors for your robot with the Devices window. First, open the Devices window. Select Add a Device and choose Motor. First, select which port the ARM motor is connected to on the VEX IQ Brain. The motor settings screen now appears. From here, you can change the name of the motor. Next, you can also change the name of the motor's forward and reverse directions. For this tutorial, we will configure a robotic arm on our robot, so you can set the directions from forward and reverse to up and down. Lastly, you can also choose to reverse the motor. This setting will change the direction the motor rotates when moving in either direction. Once you are done configuring your motor, select Done. The motor blocks will now appear in the toolbox. Your motor is now configured and ready to use.